Now children, we are going to study today moral science. You have moral science books with you. Keep it in front of you. I am going to read from this and you will read from your book. And read very carefully, and I'm going to explain you also. So let us begin. Lesson 1, be clean. What is the meaning of be clean? Means साफ रहना. If we are clean, means we have to keep our dress clean, we have to keep our hands clean, everything should be clean. So shall we start the reading? Okay. Geeta loves to go to school. She plays with her friends and does her work well. So Geeta loves to go to school and she also likes to play with her friends also, and she also does her work on time, neatly. Today Geeta will not go to school. But today she is not going to go to school. Why? Because she is sick. Sick means बीमार. She is not well. She has a stomach ache. उसके पेट में दर्द है. So she will stay at home. How did Geeta fall sick? Now she is not going to school. She is not well. She is having stomach ache. But how did she got the stomach ache? She said, I was hungry and ate my snack at school quickly. So what she said? She said that I was very hungry and ate the snack quickly. Did she wash her hand before eating? See here in the picture you can see she is sitting and eating the food. But did she wash her hand before eating? She said, I came home, took off my socks and shoes and ate an apple. What did she say? That after coming to home, she took off her socks, shoes and ate an apple. Now again you can see she did not wash her hands. Were her hands clean? Did she wash the apple? She said, I played with my dog Jimmy and then sat down for lunch. So what did she do? She was playing with her dog Jimmy and then sat down for lunch. But she did not wash her hands. Yes. Did she wash her hands? Can you guess why she fell ill? Now, because she was eating the food without washing her hands, she fell ill. Now turn your page, children. Do you like playing with dirty children? If any child is dirty hands, dirty dress, dirty hair, will you like to play with that child? No, you don't. Nobody likes them. So those children who are untidy, nobody likes them. They often fall ill and spread diseases. Diseases means bimari. So those who are not keeping clean hands, clean dress, they will fall sick. Only neat and clean children are liked by all. So children who are neat and clean, everyone loves them. The father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, had said, cleanliness is next to godliness. You know who is Mahatma Gandhi? Father of our nation. And what did he say? He says, cleanliness is next to godliness. Means अगर हम अच्छे से रहते हैं, साफ रहते हैं, मतलब हमें भगवान भी पसंद करते हैं, भगवान के हम पास रहते हैं, हमें सब पसंद करते हैं. Only when you are neat and clean does everybody like you. If you are neat and clean, everybody will like you. You will also be hale and hearty. Means आप हमेशा अच्छे रहेंगे, खुश रहेंगे. So you must always be neat and clean. Now how can you keep yourself neat and clean? What can you do to be neat and clean? See here. You must make it a habit to have a bath every day. Wash your face and brush your teeth regularly. You know, we have already studied this in EVS also. We have to take bath regularly with soap and water. We should brush our teeth how many times? 2 times in a day. If you don't, you will stink. Stink means badbu aana. Comb your hair neatly. Your clothes need to be new. They may be old and even torn, but they must be clean. It is not necessary to wear always clean clothes. Clean clothes means not the new clothes. You should wear clean clothes, not new clothes daily. So don't go and tell your parents, I want new dress. You should wear clean clothes. Do not play in mud or rain. If you do so, you look untidy. Keep your nails clean because dirty nails will make you sick. Gandhiji used to say, cleanliness is one way of worshipping God. What did Gandhiji say? Here we have studied cleanliness is next to godliness. Same way here also they are saying that if we are clean, it is like worshipping God. जैसे हम पूजा करते हैं. A clean mind lives in a clean body. If you are clean, your mind will be also clean. Only neat and clean children will grow up into great men and women. Don't you like to become great? You want to become like Mahatma Gandhi and many other great men and women? Then always keep yourself neat and clean. So children, we have already studied this in EVS also. This is second time we are studying this, that we should always keep ourselves neat and clean. Not only ourselves, also our surrounding. And you also know that because of corona also we have to wash our hands again and again. We have to keep everything clean, neat. So follow these things properly. Become good children and always keep your nails small, hairs clean, dress. You should wear clean dress, brush your teeth. Follow these good habits so that you can always remain clean and good. Okay children. So now we will do exercise in the book. Thank you.